Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maniya here and I am back with another video. Today's video is Mrs. Claus Christmas look. This look is perfect if you really want to show your Christmas spirit through your makeup. It's glittery, it's fun, and it's sparkly. So let's get into it. If you are interested in an eyebrow tutorial, you can definitely click this link right above. Also, I will be doing a foundation tutorial soon, so please like and subscribe for those videos. As you can see, I started off putting my concealer on my lid and just blending that out before I start anything. Then I go in with my Pro Fusion United Colors palette in the black and just start blending that out on my outer lid and make it super smoky. But don't bring it too high on the lid. You want to keep it in that small little corner area and just blend. A lot of blending. Next, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics palette, the Midnight City, and I'm going to take the darkest green I have in there and take it on the outer corner of my lid, right above that black, and blend that out as much as I can. Not too high, but right above it, and blend that out. Then I'm going to go back in with my Pro Fusion United Colors palette in a very light green. And I'm going to take that to the very top of my eyelid and blend that, smoke that all out so it brings this really bright green. Next, I'm going to take my Radiant Glitter Stick and start making the outline for where I want the glitter to lay with the applicator side and start making that cut crease. You want to be really careful with this and slow, because you don't want to start over or make any mistakes. So just take your time, find the arch that you like, find the cut crease shape that you like. Do not try to copy me or what I do. This is about the shape of your eye and what looks best for your eye. Then I take a regular brush and I just blend out the piece between the eyeshadow and the applicator. Just blend that out so it looks a little bit more even. And then I start on my other side. Then I take my glitter side and I start applying that right on top, all over, trying to hit every corner and make sure that there's glitter on every part of that red piece. So here I'm just showing you the products that I use to put on my eyelashes and the products I use to do my foundation. If you want to see videos on eyelashes or foundation, please comment down below and I can get those for you. I did a little bit of contouring with my powder, and then I took that blush and I used a lot of blush and put that on my cheeks to make them super, super rosy. That's what, I would think Mrs. Claus would do. She'd put on a lot of blush to look as happy and rosy and cheeky as possible. Then I went in with my rhinestones just to add a little bit more pop to this look and put a few rhinestones around my eyes. You don't have to do this look if you don't want to, or if you don't have any. You can completely skip this, but this is something I like to do. I think rhinestones make things look really nice. They really pop out the makeup and kind of like, give it that little bit of glam. So I really like the rhinestones, so I just added that in. Very, very small amount, nothing crazy. Lastly, I went in with my red eyeliner under my eye, and boom, you have a beautiful Mrs. Claus look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow me here, and you can watch more here. You can also check out my affiliate links down below to the products that can help you recreate this look. And also subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit that notification bell. Come back for more. I have a lot of beautiful, fun, creative looks that I'm excited to share with you guys. Peace.